Hello guys, what is going on? Techroomuk here. So for today's video we have a microphone for the SONY-ZV1F camera, the camera that I'm filming right now. It's an Omni Directional microphone from BOYA. The model name is BOYA M100. So it's a miniature condenser microphone. This is how the box looks like. I spoke with the people that sell it and they said it's compatible with this camera that I have, the ZV1F. So I decided to give it a go. Right now I'm recording with the Sony internal microphone. So hopefully by the end of the video you guys will be able to tell a difference if it's an improvement or not. So yeah, this is the box. They gave you some specs: 3.5mm TRS microphone for DSLR, camcorder or recorder, 50 Hz to 18 kHz frequency, plug and play operation, 180 degrees rotating head, and includes a foam windscreen. Let's open this box up and see what we actually have inside, because the box is quite heavy and I'm curious to see what's inside. So after opening the box, this is what we get. We get a silica gel. We get a qualified certificate. Upon inspection and test, this product is qualified, so they test it before they ship it, which is nice. We got an instruction manual for different BOYA microphones, but it's basically the same one but with different interfaces. So they got a TRS, TRS, Lightning, Type-C and USB, same microphone but with different interfaces for different devices. So you can have one for your Apple device, for your laptop, for your phone, for your Android device, and for the camcorders. We're not gonna read this right now. And we also get a warranty card. So let's get to the product itself. It comes in this nice sturdy little case which got BOYA branding on it. And when you open this, this is the microphone itself. So as you can see, it's quite tiny and you can adjust it. It's omnidirectional, so the sound comes from all around you. It's not directional, so it's not specifically coming from the front or from the back of the camera. So yeah, I'll plug this in and I will make a quick sound test, and I will let you guys decide if it was worth it or not. And yeah, obviously you can detach this this foam windscreen right here. You can detach it like so. So this is how the microphone actually looks like. So you can make it straight 90 degrees and it just plugs into your camera 3.5mm jack. So let's do that right now and do a quick sound test. So I plugged the microphone into the camera, and now right now it's using the microphone, the BOYA BOYA M100, and hopefully it sounds better. I'm not gonna be able to hear how it sounds until I review the footage later on my PC, but hopefully it does what they say they do. And yeah, if you guys like this product and you think it's worth it and you want to improve your audio on your mobile phone or your camcorder, and you want omnidirectional microphone which is small and easy to carry and easy to use, I literally just plugged it in, didn't tweak no settings. I'll put the link in the description below. You can buy it from Amazon. Until then, thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.